a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me. I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.
Oh God, are you crying?
What the hell are you doing here?
I guess it's that feelings thing or whatever. Look, I'm sorry.
JJ broke up with me. If you even care.
I do care. You're strong enough to get through this. You're strong enough to get through anything. I've seen you do it.
Is that why you woke me up?
Mia, I spent so much of my life choosing the easy path. And for me, that meant becoming Black Siren, then destroying things and killing people. It's not a good look.
Not exactly what I'm doing here.
Okay, but can you honestly tell me that you were happy with your life before I woke you up? Truly?
I spent my whole life looking at these pictures of my dad. All of the amazing things he did for the city. What a hero he was. Wondering how I could possibly live up to that. In anything I chose to do, and so I chose to do nothing. You'd probably be so disappointed in me.
I doubt that. Your father, he wanted you to be happy. I mean, he gave you all this. But I also think he wanted you to have a choice. I am not gonna sugarcoat it for you. Being a hero kind of sucks. And it never gets any easier because it is the hardest thing that you can do.
Then why do it?
For me, it gave me a purpose. And that's why I woke you up. So that you could have the chance to realize your own. Mia, this is your city. And you're the Green Arrow.